Hello students, today will we discuss about character sketch of boxer. Okay, बॉक्सर का जो करेक्टर है वो है द एनिमल फार्म. Boxer, as described by Orwell, is an enormous beast. Hardly 80 hands in height and as strong as any two ordinary horses put together. He is faithful horse and the most faithful disciple of animalism along with Clover. The physical success and progress of the farm depends on his physical strength. He is animal hero first class after the battle of Cowshed. He is guided only by two rules: I will work harder and Napoleon is always right. He is brave and intelligent but lacks in literacy and knowledge. His miserable death after he is sent to Alfred Simon's horse slaughter and glue boiler shows the cruelty of Napoleon. फर्स्ट है फेथफुल हॉर्स. ये हॉर्स का नाम है बॉक्सर. ओके, The Animal Farm by George Orwell deals with the theme of animals' rebellion. On an English farm known as Manor Farm, the old major of war holds a meeting in a wigwam at midnight and inspires them to get rid of their misery and slavery. The animals get united and drive out Mr. Jones, the owner of the farm. Two young wards, Napoleon and Snowball, become the leaders of the farm, and the farm is named as Animal Farm. Soon, Napoleon forces Snowball to leave the farm and himself becomes the absolute ruler of the farm. He starts a reign of terror, injustice, and cruelty. The life of common animals becomes more miserable than what it was during Mr. Jones' time. The theme has political implications that power tends to corrupt and absolute power corrupts absolutely. The story contains a bitter satire on the failure of the Russian Revolution and the dictatorship of Stalin during post-revolution period. Okay. Next, animal hero first class. He is animal hero first class after the battle of Cowshed. He is guided only by two rules. Okay, क्या rules था? I will work harder. George Orwell's Animal Farm is an allegorical novel in which events and characters have double meaning. On a surface level, it is book of entertainment, but in reality it is a serious political satire. It reflects events which took place in Soviet Union during the Russian Revolution of 1917. In Russia, the Bolsheviks came to power under the leadership of Turkey. They were later overthrown by the tyranny of Stalin. In Animal Farm also, the rebellion of animal brings no change in their condition. The idea of an ideal society is made impossible by the corrupt and dictatorial behavior of leaders. The characters in the novel also represent the characters who were responsible for the failure of the Russian Revolution. For instance, Napoleon represents Stalin and Snowball is modelled after Turkey. Old Major is presented as Lenin and Karl Marx both. Next, brave and intelligent. He is brave and intelligent but lacks in literary and knowledge. His miserable death after he is sent to Alfred Simmons. Hot slaughter and glue boiler shows the cruelty of Napoleon. It shows animal as chief character acting and speaking like human beings. Apparently, it seems to be a fairy tale meant for the entertainment of children. But it has a deeper meaning which does not delight the children. They are interested only in its surface meaning. They feel highly delighted on reading how pig dominates the whole farm and other animals and birds. Their delight knows no bound when they come to know that the pigs love to drink alcohol, walk on their hind legs and play cards like human beings. But in fact, the novel is not a simple narrative for children. It is a satire on human greed and lust for power. Next is miserable. Boxer is described by Orwell as an enormous, which the early 18 hands in height and as strong as any ordinary horse, but together he is a faithful horse and most faithful disciple of animalism along with Clover. The novel is admirable for its apparent simplicity of the theme. It deals with the rebellion of animals on an English farm against the cruelty of their human master. The rebellion begins when one of the cow breaks around the door of the store shed while she is too much hungry. The animals get united and drive out Mr. Jones, their cruel human master. They constitute 7 commandments of animalism in order to run the farm properly. The manor farm is changed into animal farm. Napoleon and Snowball, the 2 young boars, take over the charge of the farm. Soon Napoleon provokes his dogs to chase Snowball away. He abuses power and becomes a cruel dictator. Under his dictatorship, the common animals other than pigs lead a miserable life of hunger and starvation. At this level, the novel proves the truth of the saying, power tends to corrupt absolute, power corrupts absolutely. At this level, the novel is also a bitter satire on the Russian communism during the Stalin era. It contains Orwell's bitter criticism of a totalitarian society which is always opposed to the ideals of freedom, justice, and equality. The author has succeeded in conveying the message that all great revolutions start with good ideals. With the passage of time, they turn out to be utter failures because of man's lust for power. The story of the animal's miserable condition after the rebellion is the story of the failure of all revolutions. The plot construction of the novel is remarkable for simplicity and intricacy. It is not weak like the plot of his other novels. It is well constructed, brief, of easily comprehensible. The characters of the novels are developed interestingly on the basis of contrast. They represent human traits as well as certain contemporary political figures of Russia during Stalin era. For instance, Mr. Jones represents Nicholas. Napoleon represents Stalin and Snowball represent Turkey. The incidents happening on the farm are the allegorical presentation of certain events of Russia's history. The rebellion of animals presents a picture of the Russian Revolution of 1917. The allegorical style and symbolical interpretations of certain events of Russia's history also enhance the interest of the readers. In fact, it is one of the major aspects accounting for the popularity of the novel. The novel is also very popular for its element of humor, wit and irony, the activities of animals during the Battle of Cowshed, the propaganda of Schiller, and the tactics of Napoleon create a lot of humor in the novel. The meeting of animals on Sunday, the patriotic flag hoisting, the march past in the school of Old Major hanging on a pole, and highly humorous situations in the novel. The Venkat scene in the particular make us burst into laughter when we find Napoleon and Mr. Blangerton at a game of cards. The amendment in the Seven Commandments by adding one or two words is not only witty but also ironical. The climax comes when we read the amendment in the seventh commandment. All animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others. To sum up, Animal Farm is rightly regarded as one of the most popular novels of 20th century. It is highly entertaining at all the levels: the animal fable, the political satire, and the allegorical presentations. Okay. Boxer is a faithful horse and most faithful disciple of animalism along with Clover. The physical success and progress of the farm depends on his physical strength. He is animal hero first class after the Battle of Cowshed. He is guided only by two rules: I will work harder and Napoleon is always right. He is brave and intelligent but lacks in literacy and knowledge.